Hey guys, so for number 42, we're going to simplify, and if it's not a real number, we're going to say so. So here we have 64 to the power of 4/3. So fractions inside of the exponent can also be rewritten as radicals. So 64 to the power of 4/3 can also be rewritten as the third root of 64 to the fourth power. All you do is get the denominator inside of the fraction in the exponent and put it as the index, and then the numerator stays as the exponent. You can also rewrite the problem as the third root of 64 all to the power of 4, or you can write 64 to the fourth power times 64 to the 1/3 power. For this example, since we are simplifying, let's go ahead and put it into the third root of 64 all to the fourth power. So let's go ahead and do the inside first. So we're finding the third root of 64. Basically, we are trying to find factors of 64 that can be grouped into threes and taking those out. So let's start by writing 64 in its most simplest factors. Now, in order to do that, I'm going to use what's called prime factorization. Prime factorization is when you write the factors of something, but you start off with the smallest factor that it has. So 64 has the smallest factor of 2, so I'm going to separate 64 into 2 and 32. And then I'm going to separate 32 into 2 and 16, 16 into 2 and 8 into 2 and 4 into 2 and 2. Now let's rewrite the third root of 64 as the third root of all of its factors. Okay, now we have a group of 3 2's here and 3 2's here. So I'm going to take out a 2, and then I'm going to take out another 2. And I'm left with the third root of 0, so I'm going to just go ahead and erase that. So my answer is 2 times 2, which is just 4. Don't forget that it is also raised to the power of 4. So 4 raised to the power of 4 is the same thing as 4 times 4 times 4 times 4, which is 256. So my answer is 256. And 256 is a real number.